Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install an Apocalypse version of the Beach House MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which you are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to scroll down over here, then click on this tabX link. You can easily get this MLO by clicking over here. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here, just like this. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and this is the location of the house in the map, as you can see over here. So we just need to go over here and let's go inside the house. So as you can see over here, this is the MLO of our house. As you can see, the interior looks like this, as you can see over here, and rest of the things you can explore it by yourself. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.